In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to change the screen size on your Samsung Smart TV. It only takes a minute and there are two easy ways to get to the settings you need. First, we need to open the settings menu. You can do that by pressing the home button on your Samsung remote. Once the menu appears, scroll all the way to the left until you see settings and press OK. Now, depending on your remote, you might actually have a dedicated settings button. On some remotes, it's right at the bottom. If you have it, just press that and it will take you straight into settings. Once you're inside the settings menu, make sure you're on the picture tab. From here, use the right arrow to move across until you see picture size settings. If picture size settings is grayed out, this happens a lot. It usually means you're on the wrong input. To fix that, press the source button on your remote and switch between TV, HDMI, or whatever device you're using. For example, I'll switch over to my HDMI input. Now when I go back to settings, picture, select picture size settings option, and at the top you'll see picture size. Open that, and you'll get a list of available picture modes, like 16:9, 4:3, and more. If your picture isn't filling the screen correctly, this is where you can adjust it so it fits the way you want. Go back one step, and you'll notice a few more options below, things like fit to screen. Some of these might be grayed out depending on the picture mode you're using. For example, in the standard 16:9 mode, they stay disabled. But if you switch to custom, you'll be able to change settings like fit to screen, which stretches the picture to fill the entire display. And that's it. That's how you adjust the screen size on your Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.